your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. One more time. What is your name?
Amigo.
Yes, his name is Amigo. Okay, Amigo is also a very polite verb. Okay, Amigo, can you please greet all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? So how are you today? Fine? Good, I hope so. Alright, you know what, Amigo is also a very intelligent bird. He can count from 1 to 10. First of all, Amigo will count for us in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you are, 1 to 10, very clever. Now, Amigo will count once again, 1 to 10, but this time in Chinese. Yeah, listen up now, Amigo Bagi. Yeah, count in Chinese.
2,
Well done, Amigo, and perfect then, yeah. Right, Amigo is also a very talented man. Okay, he can sing 3 songs in 3 different languages. Okay, first of all, Amigo will sing for us a Mandarin song. It's a children's song called Current Light. Right, if I translate that, that means the guest comes to visit. Okay, right, Amigo, ready? Sing us the song in Mandarin.
current light, and pop, 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 wood, current, wood, current,
There you are, one more current light, yeah. And now for the second song, Amigo will sing for us a song that comes from Indonesia. And the title song is Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means love. Okay, it's a love song, alright? Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang. There you are, Rasa Sayang, sayang. Hey, very clever, Amigo. Hey, everyone, let me share. This is Rocky. Hi, Rocky. Good morning to you, Rocky. Why are you now here, Rocky? You call me? What's up, Rocky? Already? Today? You know what, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today is Rocky's birthday, yeah! No wonder he looks so happy. Okay, all of these. Very good. Happy birthday to you, Rocky. Thank you very much for coming to the birthday, yeah! Alright, Amigo, you have done very well. I want you to hit back home now before you go. What much to say?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye and bye-bye to you, Amigo. Let's give Amigo a big hand, ladies and gentlemen.